my god.
Hey, what's up guys? Hope 2020 has been treating you guys well. I've been busy slaving away at this thing. Not much time on the weekends, but there's a few things I want to go over. I'm excited to show you guys the Overfenders I finally got on here. Here she is, all mounted up and painted by yours truly. Just a little spray paint job. Lots of blemishes, but I'm trying to do this on a budget, so I'm not trying to spend a lot of money. And wrap would cost a little bit more, so I just, you know, spray painted with some Rust-Oleum. It looks alright. It's not exactly a perfect fit, but I think the nickname I'll give this car will be 50 Shades of Grey. And I also have some of these eyelids I've always wanted to mount, just because like the stock headlights always looked way too early 2000s. With the eyelids it looks a little meaner, gives it a little more shape, more aggressive. So yeah, I know it's a little ricey, but I like it, so I don't really care. Alright, next I want to talk about my wheels. I would have been driving this car way sooner already if my wheels would have shown up in time, but it's just one delay after another. Months and months and months have gone by since I ordered these back in November through a Black Friday special, and they just haven't shown up yet. Luckily, my friend Jeremy is letting me borrow his wheels, so today that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull it off of his 240 and swap them onto my car, and hopefully we can drive this thing today, because it's been too long. I just want to drive it now. It's like everything's done, the Wisefab is done, the body kit's on, diff as well. Let's just go drive it. And last but not least, I've also been working on creating some designs. This is Wrist Speed. It's kind of my clothing brand I want to start, just for people that are, you know, into cars, and there's not many brands for people like us. I'll be coming up with more designs and hope you guys like it. I also will be posting the link for the website for Wrist Speed in the description. Feel free to check out the merch. Right now all orders are free shipping, and also will include a free sticker. Alright, real quick, so the wheels off of my buddy's S14 turned out to be 18 by 10.5, so I had to put those wheels back on, and then I hit up my buddy Nish.
What's going on, guys?
And he said he had some 18 by 9.5, so what we're gonna do is pull them off of his S14. I'm just jacking wheels from S14s all day, and then I'll throw those on and hopefully they'll fit. Black Vans gang. Oh snap.
I love when people have black Vans.
Ooh, and he's being so kind, giving me some Anki RPF ones. So quick backstory. I've known Nish for a long time, and some of you may remember when I came out with these stickers with the drift slut stickers. Yeah, I've known Nish for like 7 years now. Yeah. So I wanted to say I'm making a new brand or stickers.
You know
Wrist
where
Speed.
it's going. That's Terrence's spot.
Oh yeah, that corner. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it. Ooh, the Mankeys. Alright, you know Nish is a homie when he's letting me trade some knockoff, I don't even know what they're called, for to borrow some Anki RPF ones. Thank you, Nish. Appreciate it. Doesn't look too bad.
No. It's actually, I mean, kind of sitting on the fender, but I mean, hey, I'm not moving it right now. I like that poke though.
Alright, so got the wheels on from Nish. Thank you. They fit just perfectly. Check this out. Look how close. Like, that's crazy. But it doesn't rub. So it's like perfect fitment. Got the fender liner out. Eyeballed the alignment. And now we're gonna drop it down, see how it looks. I know fitment's not gonna be prime, but whatever.
Push down on the strut. That burns, huh?
Not bad fitment. Alright, let's go drive.
Let's get this thing on the ground.
That's fine. All you gotta do is run a slightly bigger tire, and you're fine.
I think this fitment without a spacer right now is like how Kylie Jenner was without her lips done.
Yeah, so better.
Wait, what? All these stupid Nissan vape kids. Yeah. That diff. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Ah. Oh, power steering, come on, work. Ooh. That power steering does not sound good. Oh my God.
I turned like hella narrow.
That was ridiculous. You just flipped around from there to there.
Hey, the wide body looks not bad if the wheels were better.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. T4?
Did you get me doing the half U-turn?
Kind of.
Alright.
Let's get you doing it again.
Yeah, do you think I'll make it? Let's find out.
Let's see if he'll make it. Can he do a full U-turn in that much space? Jesus. Oh my God, he did it!